Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and after you see this turn off menu, you have to hold down your finger on the power off button. Then you will see this option safe mode. Just tap on it once, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign at the bottom says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. As you can see, the internet features are disabled in a safe mode because internet is not safe for you. So if you want to exit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.